Boy, oh, killing me softly, and I'm still falling, still the one I need. I will always be with you. Oh, you got me hooked on. Don't ever let me go.
Hi, I'm Lena Gillis.
Hi, I'm Allison Everett.
Hi, I'm Kadeen Singh.
Hi, my name is Karen.
Hi, my name is Zuzana Kirkova.
So my look is inspired or keeps in mind the woman just every day at work. It's business casual. I love this cape. It adds some fun to the outfit with basic pieces like a white blouse and a nice black pants.
Very nice. So are you excited about today? How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm so excited. I feel great. It's nice to be pampered.
My look is going to class, so it's something where it's casual but still pretty put together. And I have to say my favorite piece is kind of torn. I really like these bright pants.
Yeah.
I think they're really fun and they're very in style right now. But I also love this jacket, which I would be wearing a little bit later. So the combination of the two looks really, really beautiful.
So my look for today is Fashionable Weekend. So it's really inspired by like the big breaks that students have. So maybe spring break, fall break, Thanksgiving weekend, when you're going out with your friends or your family or in a city, or you're going just to a small town just to relax. So it's really just about pieces that are versatile and comfortable and really chic.
So what is your favorite piece that you have on today?
I really love these cords with the color, and I feel like I can play them up so easily in different settings. So I can wear it to maybe to go to the ballet with a really pretty top, and then I can still wear it to go to class. So I really like that it's so differently.
This look is actually inspired by the first interview, so I guess it's the stage where you transition from college to your career.
And what's your favorite piece?
My favorite piece I would say is actually the staple necklace. I love how bold it is, but I really love the gold accents as well.
Definitely.
Inspired for a cocktail nighttime type of event. My favorite item is this spray muff.
Damn, I think I love that boy. Do anything for that boy. Ooh.